Alright guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at the extra settings under the general tab. And this will be for the cut and plot feature. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, if we carry on with this little mini series, we're gonna look at which settings are left on the general tab, and then after that we'll move to a new tab. So in order to open the settings, we want to obviously go to our cut and plot feature, which is located here under our standard toolbar, the one next to the print. We can simply click that icon or use Ctrl L as a shortcut key to open it. Now with our design here, as you can see from previously, we've got still duplicates, so I'm just gonna remove all the duplicates, and then maybe scale this up a bit as well so that we can just see the effects nicely. About 60 or try 90%. Nah, it's too much. Let's try 70. Okay, so now under the bottom here is all our extra settings under the general tab. So the first one is the alignment or the centering. So if we click on icons with a little black arrow, like same with these ones, you will notice that there's extra things under that. So at the moment it is centered to bottom right. If we had to go now, we can go to center. Then we've got center of the actual project. And then at the bottom here, we've got bottom left. So obviously you can also move this around by simply just clicking. Okay, with that enabled. Okay, it would seem like it constrains it to the actual area I've set it to. I'm not sure why it's doing that. Let's try this. Now I can set it. In any case, so it seems like when it's under the bottom right, it's stuck to that side, which is rather strange. I didn't know it would do that. And then the center also, you'll see if you move it, nothing happens. And then the center also constrains it, it seems, to the left portion. So I would say if you want to do manual changes, make sure this one is set to the top, which is basically the center bottom right, and then you can move it anywhere you want. But if you want a generic can I say positioning that's similar throughout all the ones, you can always use that. Use the one centered to the middle, and then you just print all your ones like that. You know they're going to be similar. Then next up here, we've got rotate. So if you had to, let me zoom in here for you guys so you can actually see what's happening. So we've got a few different settings. We've got rotate, you can say clockwise, rotate counterclockwise. And then this is like a 180 rotation, and then there's obviously the other side. So you can simply just go through these ones and rotate the design as you would see fit. Obviously depending on your design requirements as well. I like to leave mine on the default, which is actually second icon, so rotating it counterclockwise by 1. And then we've also got this mirror option, which we can mirror the entire design. I'm sure there's a reason for that. If you're not working with text, maybe just with designs, that would make more sense. Or if you're sticking something maybe on the inside of a window, you can always flip it. And then we've got selection only, which if I had to close here, so we select this, hit Control L to go back to it. Then when we click selection only, it will only be printing what we have selected, which can also be nice if you want to isolate pieces of your design, print them in separate phases or so forth. But yeah, that is it on our general tab. Next up we'll be navigating through the next one, which is the panel tab. Otherwise, we head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares to cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find what you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.